everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa. All right, so this week's theme was nautical or water. Next week's theme will be pinwheel. All right, so pull out those pinwheels. I know you have some, or go on Pinterest and see how you can make one. All right, so anyways, jumping into this nautical theme, I use quite a few things. So we have the pelican die here, and I'm using all of that from Cottage Cuts. Once again, we have the rope corner, and I'm using the rope and that little anchor. And then I'm also using this anchor. I don't know where I got this from, some online store way back in the day. Anyways, I'm using that anchor. From Stampendous, that's where I got my sentiment right here, and I love this set. Perfect for nautical themes. The paper is from Pink Paisley. I'm using this one here. I want to say the stars and this one there, and I'm using this here. Okay, and here goes this adorable card. I absolutely love it. Oops, and I did not tell you that I am using Cuddle Me Claytay's flowers. I'll have her flower shop linked down below. She has some amazing stuff in there. Love it, love it, love it. But I thought this card turned out just too cute. And then her flower that I chose actually has seashells on it. If you can see it, hopefully you can. And then I used some of her new flowers that she recently created, and the baby breaths there too. There goes that Cottage Cuts rope. I did cut it down so that it can fit on there. And there goes that anchor along with that pelican. He's just checking out the whole get up over here. I love it. It just turned out adorable. Nautical cards are one of my favorites to create. Don't make enough of them. Anyways, there goes the inside of that, and hopefully you can see that sentiment a little bit better there. And I just thought it was just perfect. There goes the little wood pieces that that pelican was standing on top of. But I thought it looked perfect in the inside. But just a cute scene there. All right, if you'd like to join in this week, make sure you use our hashtag 2Crafters, One Design, and also enter into Jillian Norwood's hashtag Set More Makes. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.